Hello viewers, welcome to GeeksforGeeks. In this tutorial, we will see if main method is compulsory in Java or not. The answer to this question depends on version of Java you are using. Prior to JDK 5, main method was not mandatory in a Java program. You could write your full code under static block and it ran normally. The static block is first executed as soon as the class is loaded. However, from JDK 6, main method is mandatory. If your program doesn't contain main method, then you will get a runtime error, main method not found in the class. In this program, there is no main method. Let's see how it will be executed. So this is the output of the program. The program successfully runs in JDK 5, whereas in the case of JDK 6, program will successfully compile, but at runtime it will throw an error. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.